Good morning. I'm going to show you how to get the financial ratio data in Hoover's Online. So I clicked on the link to the databases and went to Hoover's Online. Now I'm going to look at Microsoft. So I put that in the search box. This is fairly simple. You're going to get the overview on Microsoft. And then if you just scroll down on the left-hand side here, you will see ratio comparisons on the left down under financials. So we're going to click on ratio comparisons, and then you will see the current company ratios for this year and the industry ratios. That the industry ratios you will use for your comparisons. Now, this is only the current year company ratios, so you will need to do the previous 3 years. You'll need to go to the financial statements to do that, and you'll have to calculate those. But the current years are calculated for you, and of course you'll use the current industry year for the industry comparison. You should be able to find under financials also the under the annual ratios. Actually, you'll be able to get the previous, actually you can get 5 years in there. So that will give you that information as well. So you really don't have to calculate those. So that actually calculates those for you. So I hope that helps, and good luck with Module 9.